Surely you have heard of large livestock farms with thousands of giant pigs, right? But few people know that to get these pigs, farmers have to go through a rigorous process, from breeding, meticulous care, to processing them into consumer products. Today, we will explore an interesting story about the arduous but equally interesting work of raising and processing these giant pigs.
Selecting high-quality parent pigs that are free from genetic diseases stands as a cornerstone for breeding success. This careful selection not only ensures the strength and vigor of the offspring, but also significantly enhances the overall health of the entire herd. It's a commitment to excellence that pays off down the line. Equally important is the immediate provision of colostrum to piglets shortly after birth. This vital first meal plays a crucial role in bolstering their immune systems. By giving them this early nutrition, we significantly enhance their resistance to diseases, setting the stage for a healthy and thriving life. As piglets transition from weaning, they enter a pivotal growth phase that demands nutritious and easily digestible food. Proper nutrition during this crucial stage is not just beneficial, it is essential for their health and promotes impressive weight gain, laying a solid foundation for their future. When it comes to pigs raised for meat, it's important to adapt nutritional regimens accordingly. The focus on high-protein and energy-rich foods to foster rapid weight gain is not merely a strategy, it is a necessity for ensuring pigs efficiently meet the sales standards expected in the market. Moreover, maintaining impeccable barn hygiene and adhering to a strict vaccination schedule are non-negotiable practices for disease control in pig farming. By prioritizing these measures, we can significantly limit bacterial growth and facilitate the early detection of any health issues, safeguarding the well-being of our livestock. Furthermore, keeping a close eye on market fluctuations empowers farmers to devise effective selling strategies and optimize profits. Timing sales in alignment with market prices is not just smart, it's crucial for maximizing returns on investments, ensuring that hard work translates into financial success. In the pursuit of greater efficiency, implementing automatic breeding systems and health monitoring technologies proves to be a game changer for farms. These innovations not only enhance productivity but also uplift profitability, demonstrating that modern solutions can streamline operations while prioritizing animal welfare. Moreover, embracing sustainable practices, such as advanced waste management systems and circular farming models, is vital for minimizing environmental impact. By utilizing pig waste for organic fertilizers and aquaculture, farmers can create additional income streams, reinforcing the symbiotic relationship between profitability and environmental stewardship. Staying attuned to modern farming techniques and engaging in training opportunities is indispensable for farmers eager to thrive. This knowledge not only equips them to produce high-quality products but also ensures that they are meeting the rising demand for clean and sustainable food solutions. Furthermore, the incorporation of automated systems for feeding and temperature control significantly lowers labor costs and reduces feed waste. By creating a more efficient farming process, this technology also guarantees optimal living conditions for pigs, leading to healthier animals and a more productive farm. In addition to enhancing efficiency, diversifying product offerings and developing a unique farm brand can substantially increase market competitiveness and income for farmers. Whether it's producing packaged clean meat or processed pork products, innovation in product lines opens new avenues for success. Lastly, participating in livestock insurance programs and effectively managing financial risks are essential components for stable farming operations. By employing these strategies, farmers are better equipped to mitigate potential losses stemming from market fluctuations and unforeseen diseases, thus ensuring long-term viability. Farmers play a vital role in raising healthy pigs, ensuring that they receive a balanced diet and ample water while keeping their barns clean. This commitment not only prevents disease but also fosters healthy growth, laying the foundation for a thriving livestock operation. Moreover, health monitoring stands at the forefront of farming strategies. Farmers meticulously observe their pigs for any signs of illness and work in partnership with veterinarians. This proactive approach to vaccinations and treatments guarantees that the pigs receive the best possible care and attention for their overall well-being. In addition to health management, farmers are dedicating their efforts to optimizing breeding techniques. By focusing on enhancing the quality and productivity of their pig herds, they are paving the way for improved growth rates for future generations, ultimately leading to a more robust farming operation. Transitioning into modern times, farmers are encouraged to embrace scientific and technical advancements. By adopting automated systems, they can boost production efficiency and significantly reduce labor costs. This leap towards modernization is not just beneficial, it is essential for sustainable farming. Investing in biosecurity measures holds paramount importance for farmers. By implementing strategies to prevent disease on their farms, they ensure the health of their pigs and the safety of our food supplies. Regular vaccinations and effective monitoring systems play a crucial role in this endeavor. Furthermore, the utilization of a circular economic model offers farmers an innovative avenue to minimize waste. It allows them to create additional income sources through organic fertilizers and biogas production. This holistic approach not only supports sustainability but also enhances profitability. As the industry evolves, farms are expanding their business models. By processing pork products and providing clean pork to order, they are increasing product value, which translates into greater income for farmers. This shift in strategy is a testament to their adaptability and vision. In a remarkable fusion of agriculture and education, experiential tourism is emerging as a trend. This trend allows visitors to immerse themselves in modern livestock processes while raising awareness about the importance of clean food production. It bridges the gap between consumers and farmers. Moreover, adherence to food safety standards guarantees that pork production remains hygienic and free from antibiotic residues. This commitment not only improves the overall quality of the product but also enhances its appeal in both local and international markets. Sustainable farming practices are at the heart of the industry's evolution. The implementation of biogas digesters helps manage waste, reducing pollution while generating reusable energy. This initiative benefits the environment and fosters greater economic efficiency, demonstrating that sustainability can indeed go hand in hand with profitability. As consumer preferences shift, the industry is expanding its product range to cater to modern demands. The inclusion of environmentally friendly packaging not only minimizes plastic waste but also plays a crucial role in protecting our precious ecosystem. Finally, the move towards organic pork production shines a spotlight on raising pigs naturally without the use of antibiotics. This approach not only caters to health-conscious consumers but also elevates the product's value in high-end markets, aligning perfectly with the growing demand for cleaner, more sustainable options. Farmers today are making informed choices by selecting healthy pig breeds that thrive in their specific environments. With a commitment to raising pigs in clean spaces and providing them with nutritious diets, they are not just enhancing overall animal health, but also elevating the quality of the meat we consume. Furthermore, the journey of pigs to slaughterhouses is governed by stringent procedures, which include thorough health checks. These protocols are pivotal in upholding food safety standards, acting as a safeguard against contamination that could compromise the integrity of our food supply. Meanwhile, the integration of modern technology in pork processing, such as vacuum packaging and effective cold storage, plays a transformative role. These advancements not only extend the shelf life of meat but also ensure that its quality remains uncompromised, thereby meeting the rising demands of both domestic consumers and international markets. In addition, the surge in demand for organic pork products underscores a significant shift in consumer preferences, prioritizing antibiotic-free meat and clean farming practices. This evolution enhances the safety of pork, resulting in higher quality offerings for health-conscious consumers. However, modern pig farming is not without its challenges. Serious threats such as African swine fever have emerged. As a response, the industry is implementing strict disease surveillance and effective biocontrol measures, vital actions aimed at ensuring the quality and output of pork in the face of such adversities. Moreover, the fluctuations in pork prices create a ripple effect on both farmers and consumers, compelling many farms to embrace closed-chain farming models. This strategic adaptation is essential in maintaining cost control and stabilizing the market amidst the evolving preferences of consumers. On a broader scale, free trade agreements play a crucial role in expanding export markets for Vietnamese pork. They facilitate access to significant markets like China, Japan, Korea, and Europe, thus creating invaluable opportunities for local enterprises seeking to grow and thrive. In the pursuit of excellence, implementing smart livestock technologies, such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, holds the potential to revolutionize animal health monitoring and enhance meat quality. These innovations are not merely beneficial, they are essential for ensuring the industry's success in the future. Moreover, embracing sustainable practices, including circular farming models and eco-friendly solutions in processing, is imperative. These approaches not only minimize environmental impact but also optimize resource utilization, playing a fundamental role in securing the industry's long-term viability. Investing in research and technology is pivotal for enhancing the competitiveness of Vietnamese pork in the global arena. By improving product quality, we unlock greater export opportunities, placing ourselves at the forefront of international markets. As the pork industry evolves, it is crucial to adapt to the shifting consumer trends that increasingly favor organic and clean food products. By steering clear of growth stimulants and antibiotics, this shift not only reflects market demands but also reinforces our commitment to health and wellness. Lastly, the rise of e-commerce is revolutionizing the distribution landscape for pork products. By facilitating direct online sales and home delivery options, this modern approach significantly enhances customer convenience and engagement, ushering in a new era of accessibility in the industry.
Ultimately, the process of raising and processing thousands of giant pigs is not only hard work, but also requires patience and expertise. Farmers work tirelessly to care for the pigs from infancy to adulthood, ensuring that they grow healthy and achieve the best quality. This not only contributes to providing food for the community, but also creates an important industry for the economy. If you feel the above information is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more interesting videos about agriculture and farmer life. Please share this video with friends and family to better understand the difficult but also proud work of farmers.